Today I'm going to try some boom mat spray. And the reason is just kind of a second protection, let's say, against resonance in this cabinet on the RCA STS-1230 three-way. And what I've done so far is I've lined these things with the Siless sound deadener pads. And I did a pretty decent job. You know, it doesn't look horrible in there. But the thing with the pads is that really you can't get every single corner, you know, like these braces and stuff. It could be done, and I did get a second box here, but I don't want to waste them. I'm going to save them for another cabinet because I think that probably one layer is going to be sufficient. It's more than most people do on their, you know, DIY projects at home, so I think it's going that extra step. And with the boom mat, now from what I've read, the reviews on Amazon anyway, is that the boom mat, like the sound deadener pad, I guess works excellent. The spray, it doesn't have as good reviews, but I think you have to be realistic about your expectations. I mean, it's a spray can, and there's probably not between the you know, aerosol in it and whatever the carrier is, it's probably got, you know, very little material in it as opposed to the pads. So I think that what I'm going to use it for is going to be sufficient, and that's just to try to, you know, get in here, and I want to spray all of the braces and gussets and any of the nooks and crannies that don't already have the Siless on it. As far as this port goes, I may wrap the port with some Siless, I'm not sure yet, or spray it, either way. Take this downstairs in the garage. It's a pretty nice day out. I'm going to bag off that crossover and my terminal cup, and then go ahead and spray these. It takes about 6 hours to dry to the touch, and I guess probably overnight it should be dry. And then I could put the cabinets back together and see what kind of a difference it makes. All right, let's head downstairs and go ahead and do the spraying. All right, so I've got it masked off. I'm ready to do some spraying. I've got the garage door open for ventilation. I got my mask with me so I don't breathe this stuff. It does say to shake this up for a good minute after you hear the ball rattling. I've got the cabinets turned upside down because the top is actually the most, you know, the most difficult to get to. So I'm going to try to get that first. Well, you know what? I think I'm gonna have to grab my other can. I have 2 cans luckily, because this ran out really fast. I'll be back. All right, I think that's all it takes. Bring you in close. So I've got the boom mat in there just as some extra sound deadening. Whether that'll help, I don't know. We'll find out. It can't hurt unless it stinks really bad, which right now it stinks pretty good. Good enough. Boom mat.